I'm delighted to introduce you to this year's 15 new Earthshot Prize finalists. These solutions are some of the most exciting, innovative and impactful we've seen, and the people behind them are true inspirations. I know you're as passionate as I am about making a difference to our planet, and we can't wait to share their stories with you. The 2024 Earthshot Prize finalists are: to build a waste-free world, Ferment'Up.
What we are doing is actually keeping food as food, producing ingredients that are better for you and better for the planet.
NFW.
If the products you buy come from nature, they can end well by going back to nature.
Keep it cool.
I'm very happy that I can help the community to be more resilient, be more adaptive, and secure their livelihoods.
To clean our air, GAYO.
As the world sees waste, GAYO sees an opportunity to make a leap, to create jobs, and to ensure just inclusion.
d.light.
We will celebrate all the many advancements that we have in technology, but all that means is the people without access to energy are getting further and further away from where the rest of the world is.
MYCL.
The beauty of this mycelium technology is we can create more and more new innovations to save the planet.
To revive our oceans, MiAlgae.
There's fish in the ocean that we're mincing up, and then you've got these algal blooms that are causing real issues. Can you solve both at the same time?
High Ambition Coalition for Nature and People.
I'm going to show you how through this solution we're able to mobilize government to boost ambition and protect more nature by 2030.
Coast 4C.
The potential for regenerative seaweed farming to revive our oceans is absolutely phenomenal. And at Coast 4C, what we're trying to do is to really help modernize that production and ensure that it's sustainable.
To protect and restore nature, Altin Dala.
I will show you how we conserving and prehistoric landscape with modern technologies, local knowledge and global partnership.
Nature Metrics.
We're going to show you how we use eDNA to make biodiversity truly measurable at scale.
Amazon Sacred Headwaters.
Yo puedo demostrar de mi trabajo que todo es posible alcanzar el éxito con la unidad.
To fix our climate, Build Up Nepal.
Every enterprise that we support becomes like a sustainable economic engine in that area. They're creating jobs, they build houses year after year, long after we have left.
Equatic.
I'm going to show you how we're going to remove carbon dioxide from the world's oceans and the atmosphere using the Equatic process.
Advanced Thermovoltaic Systems.
Something that can turn heat, which is everywhere in every instance, into usable clean electricity is just mind-blowing.